Yeah, g'day guys. Welcome to my Money for Everyone review, and also where I'm giving away my biggest bonus package for 2020. It'll be my last bonus package for 2020. I don't give it away too often because these bonuses are very scarce, and I want to make sure that these bonuses actually do work well with the product going forward. So with the Money for Everyone product, it's a great product by Tommy E and Vic Cardi. It's exposing an Amazon loophole through Kindle, and you'll be able to literally get tons of targeted traffic within certain niches and come straight through to any affiliate offer that you want. Now, they teach you how to get the setup correctly done and whatnot, and I'll delve that into that further shortly. But first, I'm just going to go through the bonuses. Now, in the bonuses, I'm going to give away, if you pick up money from me today, I think it's around about 17 bucks, you're going to get Exodus and 2 upgrades. You're going to get the Done For You package for Exodus, so you'll get the exact same pages that I use on a daily, promoting like rebuilds or Exodus or whatnot. You're going to get those, and Method X, and you're going to get the license rights to Exodus as well. So you'll get 100% of the profits, no 50% commissions. You're going to get the full 100% commissions. Now, I'm just going to show you some stats on Exodus on why it works so well and how the Done For You package is going to really benefit you. Now, this coupled with the rebuilds and all upgrades will benefit you a great deal. So I'm just inside my members area here in Warrior Plus. Now, I've been promoting rebuilds using traffic method that's very close to my heart. Anyway, this is the tracking code here that I use, Exodus, and it's using the pop-up intent, and I've got the exact same pop-up intent in the Done For You package than what I use personally. So if you don't get results of this, I'll be really mad, because guys, it definitely works. So you pick up the 14, like I've got 14 sales this morning, 5.3 conversion rate from cold traffic, which is almost unheard of, and also I got $321 in commissions. So at rebuilds is also at 100% commissions. So I'm also going to give that to you today as well. With the rebuilds and all upgrades, you're going to get the Profit Automators, Done For You package, unlimited traffic. You're also going to license rights to 100% of the profits. Now, also, if you bought Exodus, you would have heard a lot about Method X. You're going to get all of Method X as well. Method X is a training through using Bing, arbitraging traffic through Bing, and you can move it onto Google. It's a really cool method that we use continuously, and it brings tons of high converting traffic at a fraction of the cost what you usually would with Google AdWords or anything like that. So definitely worthwhile jumping on there. Infusion plus all upgrades, which is a high ticket program. You're going to get free access to a high ticket that I personally promote, and I actually made a $200 commission today on it. So you'll actually get access on how I generate high ticket commissions using the traffic sources that I use. On top of that, you're going to get Phoenix and all upgrades, which is a cool method that Mark dug himself out of being broke. Like, he literally went from a $1 million a year affiliate to nothing, and now he's risen back using this Phoenix method. So literally that's why we call Phoenix, because it's like literally rising from nothing and just getting straight back into it. And also you're going to get all the upgrades there, guys, and also the breakout code, which is how I literally run my business every day. I expose it all here on how I got started and how you can get started too. I've just got a couple of extra bonuses that I've thrown in there just to help you guys. Now, if you jump on any additional upgrade, guys, I'm going to give you access to my Insider Commission Profits Club. Now, during the Exodus launch, we did have that at 67 bucks. We've risen it to $3.97 just because of the amount of work that I do for you guys within that group. You're going to get beta access to all my upcoming launches. So you'll get free access to before it even goes out to launch. You're going to get your question answers by me in the group. So if you've got issues with your business or whatnot, I want to give you access to that. You get weekly live calls on topics tailored for you. So not just something that I choose to put out there that's not relevant. It's actually I'll listen to what your concerns are, and I'll look at the comments in the group what people are having problems with, and I'll do a live on those, so bring you answers and clarity. And also you'll get access to see how I run my six-figure multiple business. So you'll get a live run, and you'll also be able to get that exposure as well. So hopefully bringing that that mentorship to you within that group would really help you boost up, because I know a lot of people have that issue. They don't have anyone to follow. No one's helping them. That gives you that option right here. Okay, so definitely worthwhile. So guys, you will have to jump onto this. So all these upgrades here, you got Exodus, you got Rebuilds, you got Method X, you got Infusion, you got Phoenix and Breakout Code. You got getting all the upgrades for those except on Exodus, where you're still getting the done for you package. And if you pick up any of the upgrade guys, you get personal access to my Insiders Commission Profits Club. I think the lowest, like even if you pick up the downsell on Money for Everyone guys, you're still going to get it. So it's well worth it. If you need that mentorship, I can't give it away for free. It's the amount of work that I do. I think it's heavily discounted is what it is. So you could literally almost pick it up for, I think it was like maybe for $27 on the downsell. It's well worth it. So guys, looking forward to you guys jumping on. I'm just going to quickly delve into the Money for Everyone. What we've got here is that what he's done here is actually you can create content or publish your books in Kindle within the niches, and also you're going to get tailored specific keywords that people are actually looking for when they're buying a book. And when you provide content within those like little ebooks and whatnot, you can actually get a ton of traffic going to your links, and people click on those links and they actually go to a relevant offer. So what they do is they actually give you all of this within here. They give you additional bonuses as well, guys. They go through the method. They give you the full system on how it works. So there's extensive video training here. It's a great info product on what you can actually get going. So if you are struggling, just follow the steps in here, guys, and it's very well worth it. You got the bonus area. So you get you're already getting profit booster niche. So you're getting additional bonuses as well. And you're also getting additional softwares on top of in order for you guys to get that additional free traffic to Kindle. So it's a pretty cool way of doing it. Now I'm just going to recap the bonuses here, guys. It does end very soon. Excuse me. And I don't want you to miss out on them. So you're going to get the Exodus 2 upgrades. You get all of the upgrades here. As you can tell, I'm not get all of the below. You get the Exodus membership. You get the done for you package, the license rights. You get Rebuilds plus all upgrades, Method X plus all upgrades, Infusion plus all upgrades, Phoenix plus all upgrades, Breakout Code plus all upgrades. You get a couple of bonuses there too, guys. Little info products that might help you as well. And if you pick any additional upgrade, you are going to get access to the Insider Commission Profit Club, where you'll get the mentorship that you guys need. You'll get access to me within the group, and you'll be able to start benefiting from that as well. So, guys, definitely jump onto Money for Everyone. It's well worth the $17 or $18, whatever it is today for you guys. It's a great way for you guys to, get traction in what you want to do online. There's guys that are making $50 to $100 a day using it. If that extra cash can help you on top of supplanting income using the bonuses inside, it's well worth it. So guys, I look forward to you guys jumping on. Thank you very much for watching this review, and I look forward to you crushing it. Cheers.